Shwmae. Here is a short PowerPoint to help you learn the days of the week. Croeso I sesiwn 9, 5 mewn. Dyddiau'r Wythnos, days of the week. And the word for day is dydd. Dydd. And that will come at the start of the phrase. For example, Sunday, dydd Sul. Think of a seal. Dydd Sul. Dydd Llun is Monday. Dydd Llun. Dwi ddim yn hoffi dydd Llun. Tuesday, dydd Mawrth. Dydd Mawrth. Then we call it hump day sometimes. Wednesday, dydd Mercher. Dydd Mercher. Then we get to Thursday, dydd Iau. Dydd Iau. And dydd Gwener, we all love dydd Gwener, ni'n hoffi dydd Gwener. Friday, dydd Gwener. And Saturday, hooray, dydd Sadwrn. Dydd Sadwrn. And if you want a little song, I will give that to you later on. But then we've got the nos. Nos is night. Nos. Again, it comes at the start of the phrase. And there's a slight little letter change because nos is feminine and it causes a soft mutation. So we'll go to l. Will go to v, and g will just simply disappear. So can you think of a day now which starts with so for example, well, nos Sul, Sunday night, nos Sul. So Monday night, if you remember, dydd Llun is Monday, so it goes to nos Lun. Nos Lun. So Tuesday night. So dydd Mawrth was Tuesday. So Mawrth has gone to Fawrth. Nos Fawrth. So Wednesday night. Dydd Mercher has gone to nos Fercher. Nos Fercher. And Thursday night, no change here, nos Iau, nos Iau. And then Friday night, nos Wener, because the G has disappeared. So nos Wener. And then Saturday night, then ni'n mynd i'r disco, woohoo, nos Sadwrn, hooray. And I have thought of a little song to help you remember, and it goes like this. Dydd Sul, dydd Llun, dydd Mawrth, dydd Mercher, dydd Iau, dydd Gwener, dydd Sadwrn, hooray. Eto, again, eto. Dydd Sul, dydd Llun, dydd Mawrth, dydd Mercher, dydd Iau, dydd Gwener, dydd Sadwrn, hooray. They can be applied for the nights. Nos Sul, nos Lun, nos Fawrth, nos Fercher, nos Iau, nos Wener, nos Sadwrn, hooray. Then you got the days of the week. Quite easy to remember. Once you learn the days, you just change dydd to nos for the night and remember the slight letter changes. Okay? Diolch yn fawr. Hwyl!